Hello everyone, it's Crypto Fork. In this video we are going to speak about very urgent situation that's happening right now on the cryptocurrency market. We are going to speak of course about the Bitcoin Ethereum prices, support resistance level. As always guys, it's going to be short, important with the most urgent information. We are going to speak about FTX and CZ Binance. What the hell is happening there? We are going to speak about the crazy situation that's happening right now with Nasdaq, with all the biggest company that just firing their own employees. We're going to speak about Twitter, about Meta, about of course the election that's going to happen tomorrow in the United States of America, and how this election is going to affect all the cryptocurrency market. Before we are starting, of course, take your cryptocurrency from all your exchanges. This is very important. You have to buy, you must buy, guys, a cold storage to your cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter if you got 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, or 5 million of US dollars in cryptocurrencies. This is very important to understand that right now there is a huge war between big exchanges. It's effective, very negative on all the cryptocurrency market. Of course, we are going to speak about all of these things. By the way, guys, I didn't make any videos in the last 2 weeks. As you know, Crypto Fork, me, I am making a very important videos, just urgent videos. So if you like urgent videos, if you like videos with the most important information on YouTube, then click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments below. So let's see what's happened in the last 2 weeks. Yeah, actually, nothing happened in the last 2 weeks. The Bitcoin prices, Ethereum, all the altcoins was in the same diapason, same prices. And then in the last 48 hours, something happened. And actually, we will speak about, of course, the FTX and Binance especially it's the CZ of Binance, what's actually happening there. Why I see there's a few red flags, of course, that you must be warned. The price of the Bitcoin in the last 24 hours lost about 5 percentages, guys. The price right now is 90,700 US dollars. It's this huge fall. If you're looking about Ethereum, the price is 1,485 US dollars. We fell by 6 percentages. Solana, a lot of people, a lot of news about Solana, a lot of positive news about Solana, and Solana rise to $37 in the last 24 hours, but then we see a huge dump by 10 percentages, guys. As I'm always telling you, positive news in a bear market might be huge manipulation of whales that have millions of US dollars to just paying to some newspapers to release this news. Then they are selling you this Solana, for example, this Solana in a very good prices, and then they are dumping the market. It's already happened in 2017, 2018, 2019. It's already happened. It will happen. People believe to this positive news in a bearish market. They are buying these cryptocurrencies, these altcoins, especially altcoins. And then a very negative scenario is unfortunately happening. So be careful when you are buying altcoins in a bearish market. And unfortunately, I think that we are in a bearish market and we are just in the middle of the bearish market. Of course, I will tell you my scenarios in a few minutes in this very important video. What I actually want that you will see right now on your screen, that you will look at your screen right now, the price of BNB token is just fell by 1.8 percentages. And this is very important because look how all the cryptocurrency market is falling. Look how the FTT token that dropped by 22 percentages in the last 24 hours. I think that the falls that actually the panic sale of FTT token will continue, and we will speak why I think this is going to happen. But before of that, because of course I wanted everyone that watching my videos will look at Terra Luna Classic. We're going to speak right now about the Terra Luna Classic, and you will understand exactly why the situation with Terra Luna Classic is very, very important for the FTX FTT token, and why I think that this scenario might happen to FTT token as well. Maybe, of course, not dramatic scenario by falling by 99.99999 percentages, but of course, I think that FTT token might fall more and more and more, and we can even reach the 5-6 US dollars for the FTT token just in the next few days. So let's speak again about what's happening with the Terra Luna Classic. Look at the graph right now in front of your eyes. All this crazy, crazy pump to Terra Luna Classic since $7 to $110 happened just in less than something about half a month, all right? Half a year, 6 months, yeah? In this period of time, all the cryptocurrency market is actually full. A lot of people, a lot of newspaper, a lot of websites started to speak about this Terra Luna Classic, about these new technologies. That actually there is a stable coin UST that right now is the cost of UST token. This is should be the stable coin of Terra Luna Classic ecosystem. Right now, this stable coin is 0.03 cents. The stable coin is fell by 97 percentages right now. But actually, what happened in these 6, 7, 8 months is that everyone is just spoke about this Terra Luna Classic. This ecosystem is very important, and the whole cryptocurrency market fallen in this period of time. A lot of people are bought Terra Luna Classic for $50. $60, $90, of course, about 90 and about $110. Just all the cryptocurrency market screamed that look what's happening right now, that Terra Luna Classic right now is rising only because you can stake your stable coin UST that fall by 97 percentages and make very good percentages by just staking this cryptocurrency. And this is very, very important because a lot of people are just rent to this UST token. They bought this UST token, sell their cryptocurrency that actually fall, and bought this cryptocurrency token that called FT. But what happened actually then? The problems are start to come to UST. The problems are start to come to Terra Luna Classic, and look what happened there just in the next 2-3 weeks to the prices of Terra Luna Classic. Of course, I'm speaking about Terra Luna Classic because what I'm expecting that will happen to FTT token again, not one by one scenario, because I don't think that FTT token will go to and will fall by 99 percentages. But I really believe prices of 5-6 US dollars to FTT token in the short term. Again, not a financial advice, and I'm not telling to people to buy FTT token because 5-9 US dollars. It's very good prices because the FTT token was 77 percentages. Because if Binance going to win this, let's call it a war, FTT, no one going to believe in FTT. FTT going to be like ghost exchange. So let's see what's happened actually since the moment the problems are started to Terra Luna Classic. Yeah, this is a 5th of April. Yeah, and we are started to fall just, let's say, about the end of April. So all this dump happened in 1 month. So what happened here? The problems of UST token are started. It fell from 120 US dollars. It fell to $77. A lot of bloggers, a lot of YouTube bloggers, analysts tell that this is a very good prices to buy this Terra Luna Classic at prices of $90, $80, $81, 77 US dollars. Then what happened? They give us a small pump to 95 percentages. Yeah, this pump is happened in 2.5 days. A lot of people are started to speak about Terra Luna Classic, about that it is going to recover, that everything is fine. By the way, the founders, the team of Terra Luna Classic told us it's just the rumors, everything is fine. In this video, I'm going to show you what FTX exchange are telling us that actually everything is fine as well. So actually it started to fall. People are started to buy this cryptocurrency as prices of 90, 80, $70. But then after 1 month and a week, all this period that Luna Classic is actually fall from $120 to 77, $65. The dump is came all over 0.40 7. Yeah, it's actually Terra Luna Classic is fell by 91.99999 percentages. So actually what's happened is everyone believed that actually 90 percentages of all the cryptocurrency investors are really believe that actually everything is going to be fine with Terra Luna Classic, and it's just rumors, and it's very good prices to buy it at prices of 90, 80, $70. Why I'm speaking about Terra Luna Classic? Because a lot of my subscribers, by the way, if you are not a subscriber of my channel, click on the subscribe and the like button in this video, guys, because as always, I am making very important videos, very short videos with urgent information. So what's happening right now is actually, and why I show this, that all this FUD might be not 1, 2 days, it might be even 1 month. In this 1 month, the FTT token might go down again. By now, I really believe that everything is not fine with FTX and FTT. I think that the situation is very, very bad because they can't, let's call it, fight against Binance. Let's see just the volumes of the exchanges of the FTX and Binance exchange in the last 24 hours. So the FTX is smaller by 9 times than the Binance volume in the last 24 hours, and the FTX is exchange number 2 right now. This is very, very important. Exchange number 1 is Binance, the second is FTX. And I have a question. What do you think will happen to the whole cryptocurrency market if the FTX token is going to fall, the second cryptocurrency exchange? This is why I'm always telling you guys, take off your Bitcoin from all the exchanges to your Ledger or Trezor cold wallet, guys. So all the situation might happen for 1 month. I don't think that it's a good time, again, not a financial advice, to buy all these cryptocurrencies in this situation where all the market is falling, when there is a rumors, when there is a crazy, crazy fight between the two biggest exchanges. I don't think that actually this is good time to buy all the cryptocurrencies right now, because again, as I told you, unfortunately, I believe that we're just in the middle of this bearish market, and my price targets are about 15, 60,000 for Bitcoin. I think that for this time of period, the altcoin are going to fall by another 50 percentages. Liquidation on the cryptocurrency market are rising in the last 24 hours. The liquidations are really, really high for all these people who opened a long position on the last cryptocurrency pump. This is why, guys, I think that right now all this pump to 21, 22,000, I think that maybe it can go even to 24, 25,000 after the midterm elections. Again, it might happen. This is one of the options. It's very important to see what will happen in the next 24 hours, who will win the midterm elections. So it's for traders. This is a very, very risky time to trade. The FTT tokens, again, we spoke about that, by 1 hour fall by 16 percentages. This is very, very scary. I agree with this Twitter blogger. This is very, very scary because we are not seeing that there is a buyers in the market. There is rumors, there is fear about FTT, about FTX. There is crazy, crazy rumors about this cryptocurrencies exchange right now. So what's happening from the other side? That actually I told you that everyone is telling us from the FTX that everything is fine, and this is just the rumors. FTX are telling us everything is fine. We got new partnerships. We are trending on Twitter. It's very good for us. It's very good for our brand. There is no need to be upset. Everything is fine. We are really positive, like Dogecoin that made from 1,000 to 1 million of our 2 months in the last bull cycle. So everything is fine. They are opening new offices. Look at the views in the out from our offices. Again, this is videos from the last 24 hours. You can see in front of your eyes all this positive. And we're opening new office in Miami, and we're opening new office in Tokyo. Everything is good. This is our view from the offices. But what they actually forget to tell us that all these views, they might even make these videos 4 days ago when everything was really, really good. But right now, when there is a crazy, crazy fight, yeah, and I call it a fight between CZ of Binance, yeah, the man who is owning Binance against FTT, everything should be and can be very, very bad. CZ of Binance have 500 of million of dollars in FTT token. This is about 20 percentages of all the market cap of FTX, but this doesn't mean that if he is selling all these FTT tokens, it doesn't mean that FTT will fall by just 20 percentages, because you must understand that not all the tokens right now in sell position on the exchanges. There are people who is holding that. So not all the 2.2 trillion of US dollars of the mask of the market cap right now in the market. But what in the market right now is the 500 of million of US dollars that CZ Binance told us that he is going to sell. This is very, very important. This is why I'm not bullish right now on the FTX. I not recommend to buy right now the FTX. Again, I can't recommend because I'm not a financial advice. But I think that FTX token can fall even by 80 percentages from these levels. And it's not only because the Binance, yeah, the CZ of Binance is selling his FTT token, and and he actually published rumors about a liquidation in FTX and Alameda Research. Um, Actually, because he's a very strong man in the cryptocurrency space. People are believing them. He got 7.3 million followers, by the way. Follow us on Twitter again. He's a very strong man. He knows what he's doing. All the 500 of $1 million, he will sell it step by step. If you want to make people super fear about FTX, is going to sell it step by step, to make these falls on a daily basis, to make these tweets on a daily basis, to make rumor on the FTX. And this is, of course, very, very bad for the Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for all the prices of the cryptocurrencies, because this is going to be a very negative effect on cryptocurrencies. This is why I think that in the 2017 2018 fall, it was like hash rate rumors that no one is believing Bitcoin, that we are going to ban Bitcoin. I think that actually the new button will be around cryptocurrencies exchange, cryptocurrencies companies that failing, that bankrupt, like Celsius, like Terra Luna Classic, maybe FTX, maybe it's a rumors because they have money, they are really rich guys, they are buying another companies, they know what they are doing, FTX. But if this war going to continue between Binance and FTX, I'm really not recommend to get in this FTX CZ Binance war. So this is how the effect can be against the cryptocurrencies market. What I think that can be the midterm, the short-term scenario is actually that right now the graph is looking exactly how it was in 2018. These pumps, yeah, that people are really believing this positive vibes of the market, that actually right now I think that what's happening in the world, that all this hike of rates, again we're going to speak about the hike of rates and why I think that's going to happen in the next half on here. is going to be very, very negative effects to the market. I really believe in price targets for Bitcoin. 14, 50,000 in the mid long term in the next half a year. I'm really waiting for these targets. I'm really believing Bitcoin. I'm not a bear when we're speaking about Bitcoin, but I think that facts is a fact. And unfortunately, it's going to happen. Again, everything might change, but you just need to follow my channel to see what's happening. So I think that this pump, this is very important. This tweet was published on 20th of October, and this is exactly what's happening right now. I'm actually expecting this pump to continue. Maybe after election will be some positive news due to Bitcoin, to the cryptocurrencies industry. I'm expecting another pump before this crazy, crazy fall. I'm expecting positive vibes in the midterm, but uh, um, very negative vibes in the short term and in the long term. So Ben Armstrong, one of the biggest YouTube bloggers, are telling us, remember that these guys are who is wanting to make cryptocurrency regulation. These guys, FE speaking about FTX and about CZ of Binance. He's showing us how this cryptocurrency market is actually happening right now. Um, this is very, 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 very scary for the cryptocurrency market. Right now, let's speak about actually the Nasdaq. Let's speak about Twitter and Metaverse and Meta that actually developing a Metaverse. Let's speak about the hike rates, how it's might affect on the cryptocurrency market. Because after Twitter, Meta platform is likely to fire thousands of employees. They are already told us that they are going to fire thousands of employees, and I think that this is just the beginning, because everyone is looking right now on Meta. Everyone is looking right now on what's happening with Twitter, with Meta, and I think that this is biggest, guys. I already know what will happen in the next year, and this is the reason why they are firing these thousands of employees. This is like the test of the biggest tech companies about the industry in the next years, and maybe in the next year. Again, it's going to be very, very interesting, because I think that the Fed are going to hike the rates. I think that maybe they will stop the hiking of rates in the next half a year and maybe year. Again, the situation can change every day, every month, but I think that no one is going to lower the central rates. And I think that actually is going to be very negative from all the world. Global inflation may be close to peak. Again, I really believe in that, but I'm not believe that someone is going to down the Federal Reserve hike rates. I don't think that is going to stop in the short term, because of the things that I already told you. The inflation is really high. Even if the inflation is 5 and 6 for the United States of America, for all the world, the inflation should be around 2, maximum 3 percentages. And this is not going to happen in the next half a year, from what I think. Again, not a financial advice, just look at the trending of Twitter. FTT, Solana, Terra Luna Classic. A lot of people are thinking that FTT is exactly as a Terra Luna Classic. People are speaking about crypto market crash. Be careful, guys. Again, very important news is the USD index about the test and 9 months trend. If this breaks, if of course this trend is breaking, the cryptocurrency going to see a short term, very, very positive effect. Look at this crazy, crazy support that we tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. Today, actually, right now is the sixth time that we are testing this trend. Be careful, guys, when you are trading right now. I think, again, not a financial advice, that in the next few months we are going to see maybe positive, but then we are going to see a very negative news about the cryptocurrency market effect. This war, let's call it a war between CZ of Binance to FTX, is very dangerous to cryptocurrency market. If you like this video, guys, and you like the information that I showed you, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and see you in the next cryptocurrency video. Bye bye.